Well, as we go through Railroad Junction here, once again, remind you, no smoking aboard the train. And remember, while the train is in motion, arms and legs inside the cars and sitting in your seats. We're passing Smith Creek Terminal Building here, built back in 1858. This is the railroad depot that Thomas Edison was unceremoniously fired from the Grand Trunk rail lines from causing a fire in one of the baggage cars. You can see some of the camping that they have here. This is they have a lot of what they call sutlers here that used to follow the armies and equip them with supplies and stuff. Well, we're passing our brand new coaling tower. That little rust-colored house is the powerhouse, and right next to it is our 150-foot. The roundhouse here was originally built in 1884 out in Marshall, Michigan, and rebuilt here in the village in the year 2000. This is where coming into the Firestone Farm area, one of our living history farms. Harvey Firestone was born in that farmhouse off to the right front. It was located down in Columbiana County, Ohio. Firestone was a great friend of him before, and the founder of the Firestone Tire